When you put it in resume, there are some keyword they used to search, right? That's why you would need to make sure that you have added those points. Resume format for API testing profile. Okay. So actually in my previous batches, I have explained those things. That's why it's easy for me now. Automation, API, resume, keywords. Anyhow, any cost, try to add those keywords in your resume. Okay. So what you need to do, if you can see, those are the keywords. API testing with Postman, well versed with microservice web services architecture, performed functional and integration testing with API automation with REST assured, right? Working not so all those things you should add in your resume, right? Don't copy paste, just rephrase it a bit. Okay, just rephrase it and copy paste it. If you can see this line, automation test plan, test estimation, test metrics. Test metrics is nothing but your ROI. Okay, ROI they will ask you in test metrics. So whatever written over here, you should able to answer. Initiated extent report, right? CI/CD integration, source code management with Git. So when you write those things, they will ask you exact the same question, right? And try to put it in your first page. So like if you guys are, just put your GitHub and LinkedIn on top, similar like that. That's why I told keep your LinkedIn profile. Anyhow, you should keep your LinkedIn profile. And one more thing, always remember, whenever you share your LinkedIn profile, don't send LinkedIn profile with empty activities. Okay, because that will be considered as an idle one. What do you mean by empty activities? So they will check your activity over here. Okay, they will check your activity over here. Always remember to have some activity, at least like, comments, some couple of posts, that would be enough. But have your GitHub link and your LinkedIn profile in your resume anyhow, right? I have written one blog, I have my own blog, so I have added it. If you guys have any blog, then don't hesitate to add it. Okay, so you can use this two table format. Okay, this is good for both US and this one. So format Mehmet must have provided, just use that format, add the LinkedIn and GitHub link, and add the keywords that I have given anyhow, right? Because when they will search from the keyword, you should be able to you should be they should able to pick your resume, right? Here in the key skills, if you have noticed, here mention your strength. Wherever you have full confidence, you are very good in it, mention it over here. And in the first 5 lines, this first 5 lines, okay, whatever in your professional experience, the first 5 lines should be your best strength. Means you should be able to answer everything from those topics. Only mention those things in the first 5 points. Rest of the things you can put in the next 5. Okay, got it, right, guys? So prepare a similar kind of resume format. Okay. And create your definitely this one, and I will send you couple of groups I have. Add yourself over there. There are a lot of openings I can see over there coming. So do add yourself. I will send you those details later on.